Guys, so today we're in the kids' playroom. Their playroom has evolved over the years just because of the age gap that we have between our older two and our youngest. So our youngest is 4, our older two are 8 and 9. So now they have like hobbies, they have things that they like to do. So that's how the playroom has kind of like, it's like split in two. They also still like to play with toys, mostly dolls, and make things and play pretend and, you know, all this stuff. So the playroom can get pretty hectic. I'm gonna do like a cleanup first, like an overall cleanup. I'm gonna take the nuggets out of here. I'll do some check-ins here and there, just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing. But basically, I'm going to make it as clean of a slate as I can. That way, I can move the desk, and I'm going to move the carpet that we have in here because a lot of their little, they like to play dolls with like little foods and little accessories, and all that stuff gets caught in the carpet that we have in here. It's like a shag carpet. Hopefully, the way that I'm thinking about it in my head will kind of come to life once I move things around. I just want them to be able to clean up and do their own cleanups daily, but I do see how it's kind of hard and unorganized. I did move some things and add some things in here over the last like month or so, but I didn't finish. So I want to finish putting up their little lights today. Hopefully Ramses can help me with that. Overall, giving them a little bit more organization so that they can maintain it throughout the week, and then on Sundays I can help them do a reset. I'll also show you guys kind of ways, things that I do to help them do cleanups and make it easier on them, things that I've implemented and stuff like that that I do for myself to make it easier for myself to clean, and you know, obviously for them since they're still learning how to clean up and stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully this doesn't take me too long. It is 10:43, so let's get started. I have Game of Thrones on. I restarted it. Got my hair mask in. I didn't put on a super cute outfit today because it's Sunday. And, you know, we just want to be comfy and cozy, ready to go. So before we get started, let me show you guys around a little bit, give you guys like a little tour. When you walk in, and they have this shelf here, this desk. This was our old desk. They have another shelf over there, so they share this. They have those drawers there, this little desk for Mavis, and then we have this rug in the center, and I have this little stuffed animals zoo. One of the kids' clothes is in this closet. We also use it for storage, and then this is my older two's like kind of toy area. They've made this into a dollhouse essentially. We have these little drawers for all their little tiny things. This is what I use for them to do quick cleanups. I always tell them like just grab everything off the floor, throw it in here. We can organize it later, but that way it's easier for them to tidy. So this is the problem that we're having, is all the little toys start to get lost in this carpet. And so I'm gonna see if I can turn the carpet somehow so that way it's not that close to over here. They don't ever really use the TV, and that's why I always put like the nugget here and set it up, but they honestly don't ever really use it. So I'm thinking I want to put the desk on this side and then possibly put this like over here somewhere. I don't know. That's like the door to the bathroom, and their bedroom's over there. So it's like a Jack and Jill situation. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to get the rug kind of away from the toy area over there, and then move this over to that wall, and maybe I can organize it a little bit better. Okay, we've made some progress. I got the nuggets out. I picked up everything off the floor. I got everything mostly off the floor, and I just like stuck it in the little bin over there to organize for later. And now I'm going to work on their desk area over here. This stuff I'm like, dude, is it because you didn't mark? And then this.
Mommy, is that okay if I get a blanket from your room?
Yeah.
Thanks. Goodbye, little puppy.
So we're done. Rams is just helping me put the lights back up, but I'll give you guys a little look around in a second. It looks really cute.
Yeah, and the best part is no holes in the wall. We're just using a little bit of putty.
Oh yeah, pro tip. Okay, we're all done. So let me show you each wall. So I ended up moving the dollhouse. This whole shelving unit, they use it as a dollhouse. So it was here. I moved it here because I couldn't fit this here without it blocking the closet and hitting that frame. So I just did a little swap. And then these, they just kind of use randomly. So I just put them there since I had the room. And then I ended up putting this, the storage cube organizer in here. I figured it would just, you know, without the clutter and stuff, it looks better in the closet, you know what I'm saying? But it's still next to their dollhouse stuff, which is what's organized in there. And then I put the little zoo here, put Mavis's little desk here, trash can, and then I moved the nuggets to this wall, which is so much better because you can like really lean back and stuff, and the kids really liked it too. When they came in, they're like, oh, we can watch the TV and it'll be more comfortable than it being like in the middle of the room. It just creates more space in here for them to play too. And then I just put the desk here, and yeah, it looks so much better. I had this lamp in the garage that was in their bedroom forever ago, so I put it in here finally. I had a room. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I think we're going to take down this little shelf eventually. I didn't put the wall art up yet just because I'm unsure of how I want to do it. But for now, we just have like the little solar system one that's right here. We have this giraffe that we've had since Jenny was a baby. That was like the first decorative little piece that we ever had. We still have it. I love it. So cute. And then I bought this one when we first moved to this house for the playroom. So cute. It's like the alphabet with like little characters. But yeah, I love it so much. I moved the rug all the way to right here, to this corner this way. That way, hopefully, it keeps the little toys and trinkets and things from coming onto the rug. And then also, you know, I think they have enough space at their desks as well. So, yay! They love to make crafts and draw. And they have their morning work in here. And this is how they organize all of their little tiny things. I have this bin that we still have to go through to put everything away, but not today. Tomorrow I'll do all that, organize all that. That's enough for today. I have a bin for their little furniture, a bin for the dolls. This has the dolls' clothes, and this is everything else. So when they clean up, they just gather everything, throw it in there, and then we will clean it up later, organize it later. Yeah, and then we finally got the lights up. All in a day's work.